Hello. Do you want to say hello? Okay. So I am doing today an unboxing for the YouTube hop that I was part of with Cat Paper Love. And I got my box from my partner, Vanessa, and she's Soto Creates. So I will link her channel down below. And this is her box to me. Oh, hold on. You gotta wait, Emma.
What's that?
Look how cute.
Let me see.
It's a bath bomb.
For me?
No. And then there's, oh my gosh, please tell me. So funny. I think I sent her the same thing. Stop. Hold on, Emma.
Those are cheating.
Actually, I'm pretty sure I did. I did. I sent her the same pumpkin. That's so funny.
Mom, let me see.
Ooh, here's my flower crown. Look how pretty that is.
And look how pretty is this.
Yeah. This is really pretty.
That's
Nice job, Vanessa. Thank you. Okay. And then, I'm still laughing about this. Great minds think alike, right?
look at this.
Oh, this one. You want me to open this one? Okay. Ooh, this is pretty paper. Let's
I
see.
like that. I like it. I like it like you.
Oh, look
It's
how
for me.
cute. Actually, it is for you.
Yay!
Look how cute, Emma.
And look at this one.
Here you go. That's for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's look at this one first, and then we're gonna look at that. So hold on. Ooh, this is what she had.
Da, da, da.
Vanessa did this as her sneak peek.
Look it.
She really liked the shirt, Vanessa, so thank you. These are so cute. I'm so excited to use these in my projects.
It's for me. It's a girl.
Ooh, look at these stamps.
Mommy has candy in there.
Emma. Some stamps. Thank you, Vanessa. I really like these stamps. These are really cute.
And look at this.
Okay. Oh my gosh, hold on. This is beautiful. Look how pretty this looks. Hold on. I'm gonna open this in a little bit. I'm gonna see what else.
Whoa.
I'm gonna see what else is in here first.
Look, Mom, you dropped this.
Oh, I dropped this. What is this?
Ow.
I don't know what this is.
And there's more.
We'll figure it out. Oh, there's another one. Hold on. I don't know what this is.
That's big.
Oh, careful. Don't drop it, Emma. Okay, so let me... Oh, hold on.
Look it.
Emma, just wait. Okay, let's open this first. Do you want to help me?
Yeah. Got it. Whoa. And another pumpkin.
Oh, look how cute. Look how
And
cute.
let's open this one. This one has a pumpkin.
So cute. Oh, let's open this one. Let's see. Ooh.
Whoa.
It's a candle.
Yeah,
You want to
let's
smell
open-
it?
Yeah. It's good. It's like
Ooh,
strawberry.
It's apple pumpkin.
Oh. Look at this.
Smells like fall.
Look at this.
Okay, hold on. Let's see. Oh my goodness. What Emma is really excited about. Some chocolates. And my husband probably.
Mom, I like this.
Ooh, look how cute these sequins are. Some cute sequins. Love those. And yes, look how cute this box is. Love the cute box.
I love this.
You love the pumpkin?
Yeah.
Ooh, cute socks.
Are those for me?
Those are for me.
you?
Yeah, those are for me.
I actually see.
Let's look at this awesome Karina spell book. Look at this. How cute is this? Love this, Vanessa.
Look at.
And she used some of April's, I see her little printable thing. How cute is this? I love this.
Mom, look at this.
Oh my goodness.
There's a guy on here.
Ooh, Pastel Halloween spider confetti. She made her own confetti. Thank you. Love that.
And look at this.
Ooh, I was actually looking for some of these spider confetti the other day.
Mom, look at
Now I
this
have
bow.
some. Oh my gosh, look at how cute these bows are. These
I love those bows.
are adorable. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use these. These are so cute. So cute.
Can I put this in there?
Hold on, Emma. Oh, look how cute these little candy corns are.
Let me see. Let me see the little.
And the little, oh my gosh. I don't know where this belongs. I think it fell. I think it goes there. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use these little bows. These are adorable. Vanessa, did you use that dye that you put out, the pink and Maine? I want to know because these are cute. These are also super cute. These typewriters and telephone. Oh my goodness. I love these. And the candy corn. How cute. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? Love these too. They're like Maggie Holmes inspired, but they're Halloween. So cute. Ooh, look, some ATCs. Some ATC cards. It looks like candy, but it's not candy. It's a sticker. How cute. Oh my goodness. Love these award ribbons. Ooh, how cute. Where did you get these bat stickers? These are adorable.
And there's on the back. Look at that on the back.
Oh, and these too. So cute.
Look at that on the back.
Thank you. Oh, and she included like a little mini pocket letter.
Let me see.
How cute.
There?
Yes, right here. How cute is that?
Oh!
Oh, and there's more. Oh, how cute. Oh my gosh.
You dropped this.
I dropped it. Let's put it back in here. Oh my gosh. Vanessa, I love this spell book. It is so cute. Thank you so much for everything that you included, and thanks for swapping with me. It was awesome. Thank you so much. I loved everything. Bye. Do you want to say bye? Oh, and I forgot. Sorry. I got distracted by the spell book that I like so much. I also got this stamp. Look how cute that stamp is.
Don't forget this.
I think I already showed this one, but I'll show it again. This was my altered pumpkin. So cute.
Mom, are you
Bye.